Hey everybody, Aaron Dillon here from AG Dillon & Co. Secondary market pre-IPO stock prices are in for the last week. Big week for Klarna. SpaceX continues to rip, but overall pre-IPO stocks underperformed the S&P 500 last week. All this for the week ending 25 November 2022. Pre-IPO stocks were down 46 basis points last week compared to the S&P 500 up 1.6% and the S&P 500 growth up 1.1%. Historical periods do not look much better. The S&P is having a great quarter up 12.7%, but pre-IPO stocks are still lagging down 1.9% quarter to date. Just real rough, big gap there. Here's a growth at $10,000 chart. The pre-IPO stocks are tracking with the S&P 500 indexes since the summer, but the big run up in December, January, and the subsequent drop in Q2 earlier this year for pre-IPO stocks is doing a number on the 1 year and the year-to-date numbers. OpenSea, the NFT exchange, is a driver of the year-over-year drop for the index. Its contribution loss will be even greater in the coming weeks since they had a huge price increase in December of 2021 that will hit the numbers. Flexport was down 4.6% for the week. Flexport's a shipping technology company. It's having a rough quarter right now. That shipping rates have come down to pre-pandemic levels. That's been all over the news. Klarna, the buy now, pay later lender out of Europe, was the big winner this week, up 16%. Klarna's CEO, Sebastian Siemiatkowski, said that the business is heading to profitability in the second half of 2023, which clearly had an impact on the stock price. Klarna's up 28% since July of 2022 when it announced its last primary financing round, which was a deep down round. And most of the increase for Klarna has happened this past week on the back of that late 2023 profitability forecast. And last point for the week, SpaceX, the darling of the pre-IPO market, it just keeps going up. SpaceX is a space rocket company. It sends payloads into space for governments and corporations. Just look at this chart. SpaceX can't do anything wrong. The stock's up 132% since December of 2020. And if you go back another 10 years, it's just a straight line up from left to right. So visit agdillon.com for more pre-IPO stock research. This Week in Pre-IPO Stocks is a part of AG Dillon & Co., a venture capital asset manager. Give me a shout to learn how you can invest into pre-IPO stocks through our venture capital funds built specifically for individuals and financial advisors.